Welcome everybody, and here's week 12's homework, the to-do list. This is due on the 7th. If you see what's on here right now, you can see number 2 is to finish last week's hybrid. Let's pause and go back and click on that link. You'll see that when you get to the green one and click on hybrid, that it says that you need to complete your mini lesson and slides for peer review next week. There's a link there to show you all the directions. Also, you as a writer, pick a new topic from your list. Try to pick something that's a little bit different. Challenge yourself a little bit. All right, and let's go back to week 12. So here's week 12 again, the to-do list. There is a place for you to submit your slides for peer review. And then I'd like everyone to read chapter 2. If you've already done this genre, the narrative genres, just resubmit your homework from before. For the rest of you, you get a choice of either doing choice 1, the visual resource slide poster, or 2, a 3-2-1 format. And there's the submission button. All right, have a good weekend and I'll see you later.